Welcome to my channel, my name is Roboy, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix white balance on Final Cut Pro, just in case you mess up your white balance on your camera, okay? If it's too orange, too blue. One thing that I always like to do is my camera white balance 5600K, my key light or the lights that I'm using if I want to keep natural 5600K. Then when I import to Final Cut Pro, it's already like a nice tone. Let me show you over here. This example outside, it's very subtle, but you're gonna click in the image, go here in the color inspector and color wheels. Here you see temperature, okay? Temperature. Basically, that's where you're gonna tweak and touch and move side to side, but don't do it too much because this way it's very easy to lose your control and you don't know what you're doing anymore and you're gonna mess up your image. So one tool, the Final Cut Pro, one very useful tool is Command 7, and here as you can see on mine is Wave and RGB Parade. This way you'll be able to have the same settings that I'm using right now. What does that mean? RGB, red, green and blue. Of course, RGB. Here 100%, if you go more than 100%, it's because it's bad. As you can see, my orange, it's a little bit higher than my blue. What I'm gonna do is bring this temperature a little bit up, which is to the left. See? Now it's kind of like making everything even. I didn't even notice. Same thing with the green, magenta. So like this, before and after, clean and clean, clean and clean. Very subtle, but very nice, useful tool in case you need some help. That's it. I hope they learned something today. Leave your like to support this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.